Honestly, this video was just bred out of someone asking me, can you tell me more about AGI and what that is? And this is my way of doing that. AI can think, it can learn, and it keeps doing just that, thinking and learning. Hell, it can even solve problems just like a human. And soon enough, it really won't have any limits or possibly even boundaries. And honestly, that's the future that a lot of folks are striving for, and they call it AGI. In other words, this is just known as Artificial General Intelligence. AGI is essentially AI performing any human intelligence required task. The main difference here is, for one thing, unlike the AI that we're accustomed to today, is it's not trained specifically on one purpose. You know, like translating languages or playing games or writing essays, etc. Essentially, AGI will be able to learn and adapt knowledge without having to be retrained. Don't be scared, because alongside that comes with solving a lot of problems, a wide range of problems that maybe we hadn't even considered. But I think maybe the real question, and let me know if I'm wrong in the comments, is do we want AI to understand and navigate the world as similarly as humans do currently? This would make them flexible. It would make them a generalized adaptation to even, say, our workforce. So how does one even begin to consider assessments, right, for determining this? How do we humans test AI to see if it is human-like enough to call it AGI? And then the Turing Test enters the chat. And if you were to look at a Turing test, I think it would find that our AI today is way past, as it is a kind of a simplistic test. It's not enough to trick us into thinking that the AI is thinking like a human. You could think of the Turing test as sort of like the baseline for smart AI or smarter AI. Smart Turing AI? But honestly, a lot of people simply say, we need a better benchmark. This is not cutting it. With AI's rapid development, it's quickly, I think, approaching this actual human level like thinking and problem solving that I think the Turing test is really not meeting anymore. And honestly, the Turing test is quite simple. You just need like a human judge, right? A human participant, and then obviously the machine that is an AI participant. It's the judge, the human judge in that instance, that actually determines whether or not they have been thoroughly tricked. But I mean, as you can see, that's kind of subjective, right? And I'm not saying that many assessments are not subjective. I'm just saying this specific test is sort of old at this point. The evaluation's quite simple. If the judge can't tell which is which, then the AI has passed. Now you tell me, isn't there tons of tech that already can spit out outputs that are pretty believable? The answer is yes. Because right now, AI is super smart at doing very specific things. Writing, playing music, Excel spreadsheets, playing games. Could AGI change everything? I think the simple answer is yes. It will in fact change how we work and how we live and how we learn. And hell, it might even actually change the way that we consider and deal with global issues. Honestly, this video was just bred out of someone asking me, can you tell me more about AGI and what that is? And this is my way of doing that. I think AGI is sort of a moving goalpost at this point. And honestly, it probably will continue to be a moving goalpost as we are kind of, as humans, beginning now to interact with really advanced AI. If you find yourself anything like me, it is very exciting and also a little nerve-wracking because it's pushing me out of my elements, and it's pushing me into a new area of learning, which can be very scary. And I hope that you guys are on this journey with me and are very open-minded to learning more about AGI. So I really hope this is at least a little bit of an intro to what AGI is, how it differs from AI that we're used to, and a few ways that we're beginning to just now evaluate what AGI can look like. And again, I want to encourage you to check out some other videos I posted on the subjects and specifically on the companies developing this kind of tech. Anyway, that's it. That's all I got today. Very short, very sweet. See you in the lives. Bye.